Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you Magic Styler review. So you might be wondering, what is the Magic Styler here? How do you start using it? Well, in this case, what is the Magic Styler? Now, the Magic Styler here, or the Magic Styler or Air Styler, is a 5-in-1 hot air styling tool that combines curling, straightening, volumizing, waving, and smoothing into one device with interchangeable attachments, and it runs on a aerodynamic airflow system. So basically, Kuwanda effect, so that's what they are using, and that shapes hair using directed air rather than relying purely on direct contact heat. With three heat settings here listed as around 160 Celsius, 180 Celsius, and 200 Celsius for fine, normal, and thick hair. Now, the attachments included in here include the curling barrel, the volumizing brush, the smooth glide brush, and the diffuser, which is suited to a different result, and each of them has their own purpose. Now, in this case, how do you start using it, or how do you use it with the curling attachment? Now, in this case, what you need to do is you just need to take a strand of hair about like 1 to 2.5 centimeter wide, hold it roughly around 10 centimeter from the end, with the ends left free. Now turn the styler on, guided behind the hair ends, so they wrap around the attachment automatically. Now hold it in place for about 5 seconds, then gently pull the styler away without turning it to release the curl. Keeping tension on the hair and letting it cool briefly helps the curl set. Now for volumizing brush here, position it at the roots and brush it in the direction of hair growth, increasing heat slightly for curly or wavy hair. Now for the smoothing brush here, start with the hair around like 50%, dry and brush from the roots to ends in a curve motion. Now for the diffuser, use on damp hair, about like 60% dry. Now press it towards the roots and dry with an upside down motion to build volume. Now finishing at the ends for curls, the curl definition. The general tips across attachments here is use narrow sections for more defined results. Clip back hair not currently being styled, and finish with a cool air pass to help set the style. Now, what about the pricing here? Now, the official listing shows the Air Styler at around £49, which includes free worldwide shipping and a 30-day money-back guarantee. That's according on their website. But yeah, so that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.